Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have all the time in the world, while others are constantly battling the clock? This question often haunts us as we grapple with the challenges of daily life. Time management, an essential skill, becomes even more critical when adversity strikes. When we face adversity, our perception of time can become distorted. We can feel overwhelmed, as if there's not enough time to navigate through the storm. However, it's in these moments that time management can be our beacon, guiding us through rough waters. Adversity can either be a roadblock to effective time management or a catalyst for better organization and goal setting. It's all about perception. Adversity can push us to prioritize, to focus on what's truly important, and to learn how to use our time wisely. How we manage our time in the face of adversity often sets the stage for our success or failure. What do we mean when we talk about adversity? Adversity, in its simplest form, refers to a difficult or unpleasant situation. It's that mountain standing between you and your goal. It's not just a physical obstacle, but often a psychological one, a test of resilience, determination, and courage. Adversity comes in all shapes and sizes. It could be a personal loss, a health challenge, a career setback, or a global pandemic. Each form of adversity presents its own unique set of challenges and requires a different approach to overcome. But what's crucial to understand is how adversity impacts us. It's like a storm, seemingly destructive, but also full of potential. A storm can uproot trees, but also nourish the soil. Similarly, adversity can disrupt our lives, but can also foster growth and resilience. Adversity affects how we manage our time. It can create a sense of urgency, make us feel like we're running out of time, or it can make us feel stuck, as though time is standing still. Either way, adversity changes our relationship with time. However, adversity isn't necessarily a bad thing. Think of it as a teacher, albeit a stern one. It challenges us, pushes us out of our comfort zones, and forces us to reevaluate our priorities. And in doing so, it can actually help us manage our time better. When we're faced with adversity, we learn to focus on what truly matters. We cut out the noise, the distractions, and the trivialities, and we zero in on our goals. We become more efficient, more purposeful, and more productive. Adversity also teaches us resilience. It shows us that we can withstand difficulties, bounce back from setbacks, and keep moving forward no matter how tough the journey. This resilience, this ability to keep going in the face of adversity, is a vital skill in effective time management. So when we talk about adversity, we're talking about a challenge, yes, but also an opportunity to grow, to learn, to improve, an opportunity to become better at managing our time and achieving our goals. Adversity can be a powerful motivator, but only if we understand it and learn to navigate it. Why does time management matter? This question may seem straightforward, but the answer carries profound implications for our daily lives. Time management, in its simplest form, is about organizing and planning how long you spend on specific activities. It might sound like a dry subject, but it's far from it. As we dive into the importance of effective time management, let's consider a day in your life. Picture your tasks, your responsibilities, the things you want to accomplish. Now imagine if all these were scattered haphazardly throughout your day with no rhyme or reason. You'd feel overwhelmed, right? This is where time management steps in. Effective time management helps us structure our day, bringing order to chaos. It's like piecing together a puzzle, where each task is a puzzle piece. When we manage our time well, the puzzle comes together to form a coherent picture, a productive day where tasks are completed and goals are achieved. Moreover, good time management skills can significantly reduce stress. By allocating time to tasks, we eliminate the panic of last-minute rush of deadlines breathing down our necks. We create a buffer, a safety net that gives us peace of mind, knowing that we're on top of our game. But it doesn't stop there. Time management also boosts productivity. Each minute we save is a minute we can invest elsewhere, in another task or perhaps in a well-deserved break. It's about doing more with less, about maximizing the potential of every tick of the clock. And finally, time management improves our overall quality of life. It gives us the gift of balance. By managing our time, we can make room for the things that truly matter, our health, our relationships, our passions. It empowers us to live a life that's not just about doing, but also about being. Mastering time management allows us to take control of our life, rather than letting life control us. So, why does time management matter? Because it's about more than just managing time. It's about managing our life in a way that brings out the best in us, despite the adversities we face. So, how can we manage our time more effectively? Well, let's dive into some practical and actionable tips that can change the way you view and handle your time. First up, set clear and attainable goals. Think of your day as a blank canvas, and your goals as the artwork you want to create. You wouldn't start painting without a vision, would you? The same applies to your day. Know what you want to achieve and set clear, measurable goals for yourself. This gives you a roadmap to follow, allowing you to focus your time and energy on what truly matters. Now, once you have your goals, the next step is to prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Some are more critical and time-sensitive than others. Prioritizing helps you identify these tasks and tackle them first. This ensures that you're spending your time wisely and not just being busy, but being productive. But here's something interesting. While we often associate productivity with doing multiple things at once, research suggests otherwise. Yes, multitasking may seem like a great way to get more done in less time, but it can actually do more harm than good. It splits your attention and reduces the quality of your work. So instead of juggling multiple tasks at once, focus on one task at a time. Give it your undivided attention, and you'll find you get it done quicker and better. Another crucial aspect of effective time management is taking regular breaks. This may sound counterintuitive when you're trying to save time, but hear me out. Our brains are not designed to work non-stop. They need downtime to rest and recharge. Taking short, regular breaks can improve your focus and productivity, making you more efficient in the long run. So don't feel guilty about stepping away from your work for a few minutes. It's not wasted time. It's an investment in your mental well-being and productivity. Lastly, remember that time management is not about squeezing as many tasks into your day as possible. It's about simplifying how you work, reducing stress, and increasing productivity. It's about making better choices with your time. It's about taking control of your day, rather than letting your day control you. These tips are not just theories. They are practical, actionable strategies that you can start implementing today. And the best part, they work regardless of what adversities you face. Whether you're dealing with personal challenges, work pressures, or unexpected disruptions, these strategies can help you navigate through them and make the most of your time. With these simple yet powerful strategies, you can start managing your time more effectively, no matter what adversities you face. Can adversity really be a stepping stone to success? Let's take a moment to ponder on that question. The journey of life is not all sunshine and rainbows. We often stumble upon adversities, but it's how we handle them that defines us. In our discussion today, we've explored the role of adversity in time management, understood its nature, and delved into the importance of effective time management. We've also shared some practical tips to help you manage your time more effectively. So, how do we turn adversity into an opportunity? It begins with a shift in perspective. Instead of viewing adversity as a hindrance, see it as a chance to learn, to grow, and to improve. It's an opportunity to test your resilience, to push your limits, and to discover your true potential. Next, use adversity to refine your time management skills. When faced with a challenge, you're compelled to prioritize, to plan, and to make the most of the time you have. It's a practical lesson in efficiency and productivity. Remember, time is the one resource that we can't replenish. Once it's gone for good. So use your time wisely. Use it to learn, to create, to contribute, and to make a difference. And lastly, use adversity as a motivator. Let it drive you forward. Let it inspire you to achieve your goals, no matter how big or small, because every step forward, no matter how small, is a step towards success. In conclusion, adversity is not something to be feared or avoided. It's something to be embraced and utilized. It's a tool that can help you grow, improve, and succeed. It's a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. So the next time you face adversity, don't let it hold you back. Use it to your advantage. Use it to become a better version of yourself. Remember, adversity is not a roadblock, but a stepping stone. With effective time management, you can overcome any challenge and achieve your goals.